you've spoken many, many golden nuggets about him and his philosophy and referring him to your friends. I mean, yeah, I mean, it's very rich, and it's amazing that you started this herbal formula in 2 weeks and it's changed the level of your, was it hemoglobin,
Yeah.
and your energy level and your diet, everything. I mean, I think you're so on point. I mean, he really does see you as a whole person. And it's true. I think that's the successful part of his approach is he treats you, your emotional being, your spiritual being. And, even you just express this patient care. When you walked in, you felt that warmth and that vibration. And it's not that you're just another number in a doctor's office. And
Oh, absolutely not.
yeah, yeah. So, I mean, there's a lot of truth and consistency of what you see of him
Mhm.
on Google search on his website, and then you see him, he's really this way in real life. And
Yes,
that's a very, that's definitely assuring to know that.
absolutely. And I
Um,
must add, Judy, one very important point. So, over the years, I've seen him, I've continued to see him, not necessarily to resolve any particular health issue, but just to do a point check, just to see if everything's going the way it should go. And, he does a pulse check, and if he sees anything concerning, he lets me know. And, it's not always herbs. He just uses many different, sometimes he does acupressure, other times he uses the cupping, and other times it's the moxibustion, I think,
yeah,
where he uses
Moxa, yeah,
the sticks that he uses. So different modalities of treatment that he has explored.